Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to an Oracle deck review. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Goddess Power Oracle by Colette Baron-Reid, and it's illustrated by Jena DellaGrottaglia. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. I'm notorious for mispronouncing names, so forgive me. So anyway, this is not an unboxing. This is strictly a review. I've had this in my possession for a while. I just did not get around to doing an unboxing for you guys. So we're doing it now. We're doing a review. This is a 52 card deck and guidebook, and it is retailing for $39.99. I happen to have gotten it on a sale, so a lot of the times Hay House does some promotional sales and stuff like that on their website. So speaking of which, it is published by Hay House, and I'll link everywhere you can find it that I know of down in the description box below. So it's got this beautiful, nice sleeve. This is all about goddesses, so it's a very feminine oracle deck, and I just love it. I happen to really like Colette Baron-Reid's decks. So it looks like an ancient book when you take it off of its sleeve, out of its sleeve, and it's got a hinge here, which is fantastic. So it's just really nicely done. So the hinge opens up, and then on the inside it says, "The mystical, the magical, the numinous quality of life is the domain of the fierce and creative feminine aspect of the universe." So I just love it. And those of you who have been watching my videos for a while know how much I love me a ribbon. So this is the guidebook, and it's pretty thorough. We'll get into it in a little bit, but I do have to say that you do use this deck with reversals as well, okay? So comes out and it has its own little box here. So if you like to just take the box with you with your deck, it's perfect for that. It's nice and sturdy. Again, another ribbon here. And take out the cards. And I think I put them all back. Yeah, I did. So I put them all back in order for you guys so you can see how it looks when you open it up yourself. But yeah, you can definitely see where the $40 price tag comes in. So the cards are really nice. They feel really buttery. There's that beautiful moon with the tree of life in the center there. The triple moon goddess. It's just gorgeous. Gold filigree work. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the artwork here. So I love that it has the goddess name and then the keyword and the number of the card. So you can look it up really fast in the deck. So, and it's also really good for beginners as well because of the fact that it has the name and the key meaning right there. And what's also great about this deck is there's diversity. So very, very cool. It's so feminine and beautiful, and just, I love everything about it. The cards are thick, they're buttery. It's just a joy really to have it in your hands. It's a great size too. It's not glossy, which is fantastic when you're filming. So that's great too. So we'll kind of go through and get a feel of it, and then I'll show you how it shuffles. But she takes goddesses from all different cultures and puts them in this deck. So it's very, very diverse, and you get a feel of the different energies with that as well. So it's just beautifully done. I just love how it feels in your hands too. I'm sorry, I keep saying that, but it just is so smooth and buttery. I wish you could like reach through this screen. And again, I am not sponsored or paid for these reviews at all. And if I ever did get sponsored, I would tell you right away, because that would be amazing, first of all. But I really want you guys to get a feel for the way the cards are, the art, and how they feel, because you don't really see that when you go to purchase your deck. And it's a connection thing. You got to feel connected to the deck before you spend, you know, $40. And I like that it's 52 cards, so you don't feel like it's too much or it's too little either. All right, so that was 52. So I'll go ahead and shuffle these up. And this one, you do the reversals. So I will shuffle it so that way we do have that option. And then I will pick a card for you guys and show you how it will be read, what to expect. So it shuffles really great. I love it. Like butter. And I just put a dent in that. Dang it. So it shuffles really, really nice, whatever way you want to shuffle. I'm just ridiculous and can't shuffle right now. But yeah, it's very smooth. They don't stick. They're flexible. They're thick enough, but they're not too thick to where there's no movement and you can't feel that flexibility. So yeah, they're really nice. They snap back. I prefer to shuffle both ways. It's just up to you guys how you want to do it. All right, so anywho, I can do that all day. Let's go ahead and pick a card. So we have Gula for healing, and it was reversed. So let's take a look at what it says, and that's 18. I'll just find it in here. All right, so it's the alignment message. So when it's reversed, she talks about how it's not a negative aspect, it's just what to work on and what to align yourself with. And the message is the goddess Gula, hopefully I say that right, calls you to recognize that you're running on empty. You have nothing left to give. You have reached the end of the road and you must stop what you are doing and consider the implications of your actions run amok. Do you need to set better boundaries around your enthusiastic tendency to say yes to everything? Have you allowed others to drain you because you feel it's your job to listen, love them, and fix them? Do your close companions cling to their victim stories and continue to impose them on you? Your alignment task is to step back and assess what is true and make new choices and maybe put yourself first. You will be glad you did. Just remember, it is sometimes the healing choice to take a break and only focus on you for a change. So that's different than the empowerment message, but it's still under the umbrella of healing. So hopefully that makes sense. So that's how your cards will read. But I also wanted to tell you, you have some spreads in here. And you have, so how to use the deck, co-creating with the goddesses, and then some spreads. Shuffling, how to ask a question. So there's a few spreads in here. Yeah, you get quite a lot considering. And then let's see, the course correction card. When any of your readings indicate that the direction you're heading in may be more challenging than you hoped, you can pull a course correction card for advice on how to potentially shift the outcome. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so that's about the spreads. And then, yeah, it just goes into the cards and then about the artist and the author. So do I think this is worth $40? I mean, honestly, the cards are beautiful. It's a complete set. It's a whole gift set. I mean, look what you're getting, really. So do I think it's worth $40? Yes. And it's really hard for me to say yes because it is a lot of money for a deck of cards, right? But you are getting a whole set here and it's quality. It's thick cardstock. It's not going to let you down and it's beautifully illustrated. It's all these beautiful colors. You've got gold leaf. You've got just box into a box. So as a gift, this would be wonderful. I know it's Christmas time. It's that season of gifts. So if that's something you're looking for, your tarot friend or your oracle friend, this might be something they don't have. So, you know, this would be a great gift. Again, Hay House does some sales, as well as Amazon too, and Borders right now. So if you're looking to pick it up, look and make sure that it's on sale, because now would be a great opportunity for that too. So not that I'm trying to sell this or anything, but I just love it. I find it's pretty accurate for me. It's quality workmanship in here with the manufacturing. I don't have a problem with how the cards were cut. They feel great in the hand. And yeah, it's just, there's a lot of attention to detail. It's beautiful. I think if you are into goddesses and femininity and, you know, the divine feminine, this would be a great addition to your oracle decks. So I do recommend it if this is calling out to you. Like I said, I'll put all of the descriptions down in, all of the links to where you can find it in the description box below. All right, guys, that'll do it. If this has helped you out, go ahead and let me know down in the comments and give it a thumbs up. And also, if you have this, let me know how you feel about it. If this is a deck that you use regularly, or if it's for a specific purpose, let me know for that as well down in the comments. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. I do tarot deck reviews, pick a card readings, which I will have more of coming up, and also some craft videos. So stick around if that's your cup of tea. And if you have not yet hit that notification bell, go ahead and do that too, because that way you'll never miss a video upload from me. All right, guys, have a wonderful rest of your week. Happy full moon if you are watching this when I post it. And I will see you later in my next video. Bye, guys.